Hey guys, so welcome back. Today we're gonna quickly talk about the heart. So let's just get into it. So if you need to know that your heart is split up into, well, you have four chambers in your heart. Okay, so four different chambers. You have two atria, and then so your left and your right atria, and you have two ventricles, which are your left and your right ventricles, which we're gonna talk more about when we get down here. So the right side of your blood has less oxygen. Okay, it says deoxygenated, but really it's just you'll never have blood with 0% oxygen, obviously. Okay, so when you go from your blood to your lungs, we call that your pulmonary circulation. And then on your left side, right, you have your blood with oxygen. Okay, and then that's blood to your body, and then that's systematic circulation. So we have two different valves here. So your AV valve on the right is your tricuspid valve, and then your mitral valve is going to be on the left. Okay, so you have a semi-linear pulmonary artery and then aortic valves. Okay, and then you just really the most important thing I think out of everything. Well, I guess all this is important, but you really do need to make sure you know this order of things. Okay, so SA node, AV node, bundle of His, and then your fibers. And then you also need to know that the heart depolarizes on its own. Okay, so the heart starts its own conduction, and it can start its own conduction because it depolarizes on its own. Okay, and let's quickly talk about blood vessels. So just these are all things that definitely good to know, right? So you arteries are going to be thick, muscular. They carry blood away from the heart. Veins are going to be thin, less muscle, and then they carry blood to the heart. And then the valves is what, like your AV valves and stuff, is what prevents backflow. And backflow meaning like blood doesn't go back up, right? It just keeps flowing the way it's supposed to flow. And then your capillaries are going to be the site of gas exchange and as well as nutrients exchange. Okay, so hopefully that made sense. Definitely remember all of this, and yeah, I'll see you guys in 7.3.